everyone, welcome back to our cooking show. We haven't been here in a while, so we're happy to be back with you. Today we're making apple pie cookies, and we're making apple pie cookies for our friend Tara, who works here at the library. It's her birthday, so she requested something appley. So we're excited to make this fun dessert.
Yep. So we're going to start out with the filling. And for that, we need 3 pounds, roughly 3 pounds of apples sliced and chopped, and a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, the pinch of nutmeg is optional, and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. We decided to do a mix and do 1/3 of a cup brown and 1/3 of a cup white to see how it turned out. So, first off, Miss Erin's gonna melt the butter. She's already got it in the pan, so
Okay.
melt that completely.
We're gonna melt that butter.
So after your butter is completely melted, you keep your heat at medium-high heat, and you add your sugar.
Granules to the butter, the apples.
I thought you said I had to add the sugar to the.
You're gonna add these together, mix them all up, and then you add it to the. Okay, good. Okay.
While your butter is melting, you add your sugar and your spices to your apples in the bowl, and you stir.
It will be good! It will be good!
That'll be fantastic. So once that's all blended in the bowl, you transfer it over to the melted butter. Once you have them all in there, like Miss Erin's doing right now, stir until the sugar dissolves completely and it begins to simmer. This takes about 2 minutes.
Good sugar.
And then you cover it up, reduce the heat to medium-low, and cook until the apples soften and release most of their juices. And that's usually another 7 minutes. So we'll be right back. Once your apples have softened and released most of their juices, you want to put them over a sieve or a small colander and pour it through to save the juices in the saucepan or another bowl. We drained all of our apples, and now we're going to simmer on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the juices are thickened and caramelized.
So while our apple juices are heating up over here, we're going to start making our caramel for our apple pie cookies. And for that, we need 1 cup brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of butter, a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1 pinch of salt. That is generous. And we're going to add that to a saucepan.
What heat do we want it at?
We want this at a medium-low heat. And we're going to combine all of the ingredients in the pan. And you're going to cook this caramel for 7 to 8 minutes. You want to watch for the caramel to thicken, and you will notice it.
And we're going to whisk it the whole time, correct?
Yes. Generous pinch. When we have our apple juices all caramelized and thickened, you want to add your apples to your juices. And you can either do it in this pan that you had the juices or in another bowl. And then you want to set the apples aside and you want them to be cooled completely.